Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices, the Prestig's TV and your phone or laptop. Make sure the TV firmware is current. Outdated firmware causes connection failures. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi band and confirm signal strength. Weak Wi-Fi breaks mirroring. On the TV, open settings and enable screen mirroring or mirrorcast. On some models, enable developer or input options. You do this now because a reliable network and correct TV mode are prerequisites. Next, you initiate the mirroring session from your source device. On Android, use Cast. On iOS, use AirPlay, if the TV supports it, and on Windows, use Connect or Project. Tap the discovered Prestig's TV entry. The TV shows a pairing prompt to prevent unwanted access. Accept that prompt, and when asked, type the PIN shown on the TV screen. This secures the session and establishes the video/audio channel, so your device streams the display frames to the TV smoothly. Finally, you fine-tune and complete the connection. Adjust the source resolution to match the Prestig's TV for sharp output and rotate or scale the display as needed. If you see lag or stutter, switch to a wired HDMI or USB-C adapter to reduce latency. Wireless streaming compresses frames. If the TV never appears, restart the router, then the TV, then the source. This clears network discovery caches. If problems persist, update firmware or test another device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.